Nice. Here comes more. Here comes more. No. Here comes more noise. This is what we do when we're bored. Someone wants to go outside and he's driving me crazy. We play. You getting up? Up, up. Pony yoga. See? I knew you'd do your yoga. Yes, I knew it. Oh, stretch the other leg out. My buddy. Oh, that's my buddy. Yeah, that's my buddy. Give her scratches. Vacuum cleaning. Good boy. Here comes between your legs. Good job, buddy. That's a good boy. TV's blaring. Oh, he loves you. And I don't know why, because all you do is bite him. He licks you, you bite him. Aww. Isn't that cute? Oh, say bless you. What's Schultzy doing? Oh, Schultzy likes you. Does Schultzy like you, Freckle Butt? Schultzy, come say hi. What you think? Say hi to Freckle Butt. Yeah, what you doing? Oh, give him kisses. Fred, what's the matter? Oh, come on, that was funny. Mommy wanted a longer video. You're silly. Lucas. Oh, you be nice to him. You evil little... Hey, you be nice. Hey. He's not going to get no cookies. You won't be evil, Fred. Tell him, Lucas. Fred. You little brat.